I am Leonie, and this is Hakan, and today we're going to show you how to make perkedel. These are the tools and ingredients you'll need. You can start by peeling your potatoes first. Then you just need to dice the potatoes and cut your vegetables. Mince the garlic and shallots, and then you can fry the potatoes. It would be better if the potatoes are a bit smaller though. You can cook the meat however you like, but since we'll be using corned beef, you don't really need to cook them. But you can use fresh beef too. Then you can continue mashing the potatoes with potato mashers. Then you can combine the garlic, shallots, and the vegetables that we cut up, and the beef. Season them with salt and pepper, and continue to mash them until they are well combined, and until they are homogeneous. Once your potato looks like this, we are ready to form them into little ball pancakes. So you just need to take a tablespoon and you roll them between your hands and you make patties with them. Like that. Repeat for the remaining mixtures. After that, you can start frying them. Be careful though, you only want a golden brown surface on each side. Don't burn them. You don't need too much oil, you just need enough to cover at least to half of the perkedels. And it's done. I truly love this recipe because the flakiness gives the perkedel a very nice texture, and the potatoes are smooth in the inside with a crunchy layer on the outside. This recipe is very special to me because it is a family recipe and I'm glad I'm able to share it with you. That is all. Thank you for watching. Bye.